Have you seen this woman come up on your For You page? She's apparently 55 years old. Apparently she's a longevity expert talking about how she found the fountain of youth and is actually aging backwards. Listen closely to what she has to say.
Have you ever noticed that people in the blue zone don't age? So I started doing this research and reading about the blue zone. There was one thing that was proficient in all of these blue zone people, and that's that their cells were so healthy and that they were still packed with NAD. NAD drastically falls once we start to age. Starting at the age of 35, we lose up to 50% of NAD between the ages of 35 and 50. That is wild. NAD in our cells is what keeps us looking and feeling young. So without it, that is why we start to age, okay? Getting on an NAD booster was huge for me. I've started several different ones. I've tried several different ones. The one that has been my favorite so far has been this one from Ria's.
She's talking about how as we age, our NAD levels tend to drop. World-class scientists like Dr. Rhonda Patrick think that NAD levels dropping over time could be a major contributor to aging. Honestly though, I didn't believe her until I saw this clip of Haley and Kendall.
Do you think that doing NAD multiple days in a row is fine?
It wouldn't be harmful, but at a certain point you kind of saturate your receptors.
I'm gonna NAD for the rest of my life and I'm never gonna age.
They're talking about how if you mix an NAD precursor with trans-resveratrol, you can radically increase your levels of NAD. Studies from the National Institute of Health have shown that raising NAD levels can have a huge effect on all of these different issues. So if you feel like you're always tired, if you feel like you look like the Grand Canyon, or you feel like it's time to move to Florida, I would highly recommend getting this NAD booster from Ria's Research. It has 900 milligrams of NAD boosters like nicotinamide riboside and resveratrol to help boost your NAD and help deal with this issue. Each box contains 80 capsules, which is enough for 40 servings. Right now they're running a flash sale, so you can get one of these for $40. And we all know how expensive some of these types of treatments can be. I'm gonna try to link it for you in the bottom of this video. If you see the orange shopping cart, that means that they still have some in stock. I would hurry up and get some while you still can.